The same exact thing going on. Except she's less red, which is gonna be great.
Yeah. The other lady was way more red. All right, you can come on back. Is that comfortable? Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna get started, and we are going to do the color destructor. CPR. You need a cap?
I have one.
You have one? Okay. Then she'll put a cap, and she'll sit for 45 minutes under that heat. How's it going? Got your whole lunchbox.
You know.
Yeah.
Star.
College.
Yes, because, well, but, you know, it's in college when they might feel free enough to express themselves
Right.
around other people and have other people, you know.
Yeah.
So
I told him that. He said, well, I'll just go to ECU for the party on the weekend.
Yeah, no.
I thought he would go to college because he was really good. I like him.
My client's trying to help too. I love it.
I know, right?
I love
throw my
her.
head into it.
That'll be all the better, you know.
The braids are really pretty.
Mm-hmm. So I want you to like really massage in there for a couple minutes before you start rinsing, okay?
Okay.
It gives you like
Hello, saturation. Oh my gosh. Oops.
well, probably not, but this is
Period.
Your client is something else, Becca. She was. She's something else.
Good.
Very good. Alexa.
Gotta reset these. Hang on. It's gonna take a second.
Did not care.
pretty and
When you're like saturating, she's like it's like painting the cake.
Baking a cake.
Like putting, you know, icing on the
Frosting.
cake.
You don't want to
frosting.
see the cake.
Yeah, you don't want to see the cake through it.
I like that.
That looks good.
Ooh, look at that lid.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I feel like the last few. Literally, only did on the last few. You're gonna be I might want to re-dry these after. Now, is that good?
Yeah, but if I move, yeah, we're not gonna move and see. Okay,
Okay.
here we are. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
No, yes.
Ready?
Oh my God. Wow. Seriously, I cannot believe that.
Right? Now your girl is gonna be much better, much easier, and you can kind of decide on which way you want to go. Do you want to embrace the gray? Go blonde?
Wow. That is amazing because my hair's been so dark my whole life. And now to have this, I don't know what color this is.
It's kind of like
It's kind of like an ashy, I don't know,
ashy blonde,
a
like
little
an
bit, yeah.
ashy blonde.
Oh wow.
But it goes much better with your roots
Yes.
now.
Oh
You know,
my God.
obviously I couldn't get you this gray. I mean, we talked about that. There's no way in the world. But I got you as close as I possibly can. You're gonna want to use purple shampoo when you start to feel a little bit warm.
Okay.
But, you know, maybe one more visit.
Amazing. Look at that. Oh, it's got the dark back there.
Yeah.
Love it.
It's got dimension.
Oh my God.
It's got everything. Like it's
That's like my natural color.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it'll grow out nicely. You can either do nothing and let this just grow out, or you can do one more visit just for like a partial, nothing like what we did today. And you'll be good to go and you'll never have to do color again.
God, it's gorgeous. I
Yay!
can't believe y'all did this.
Yeah.
It took a minute.
Yes,
Yeah.
it did. But I told you we were getting there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And it's got to be done in patience.
Yes.
It's like, and especially when we don't want to damage the hair also.
Right. Thank
Super
you for
important.
being so.
Absolutely.
Protective
I've lived
about-
personally with damaged hair and it
Me
sucks.
too.
It's literally the worst. So it's something that I take a lot of pride in for my guests.
I'm scared, but I'm not scared anymore.
Yeah.
Happy. It's beautiful.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome,
Thank you.
girl.
Awesome.
Okay, I gotta send a picture to my hubby.
Yes.
Go get your selfie and pretty quickly.
All right, whenever you're ready, you can start spinning. All right, perfect.